Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add charts in Google Slides. So head over to Google Slides and log into your account. You can either open an existing presentation or create a new blank presentation. This is where your data will be displayed. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert right here. From the drop-down, choose Chart. You'll see different options like bar, column, line, and pie chart. Select the chart type that best matches the data you want to show. Google Slide will instantly add a chart to your slide, like this. Once you've inserted a chart, click on it, then click on Open Source. This will open a linked Google Sheet where the chart data is stored. Replace the sample numbers with your own data. Update the labels, titles, and values. As soon as you edit the spreadsheet, the chart in the Google Slides updates automatically. Again, you can customize the chart by editing it inside the Google Sheet. Change the colors, the fonts, labels, and chart style to match your slide design. Keep the design simple. Too many colors or details can make the chart hard to understand. If your data changes later, just update the Google Sheet and click Update on the chart in the slide. So back in the slides, resize and move the chart like any other object. Use alignment guides to keep it centered and balanced on the slide. Make sure the chart is easy to read, use clear titles and readable text. Avoid putting too many visuals on one slide. Before finishing, switch to presentation mode. Check if the chart is clear, readable, and looks good on your screen. Make sure numbers, labels, and colors are easy to understand for your viewers. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.